In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your GoDaddy domain by delegating access. If you're managing a website for your business or helping out a client, you might find it beneficial to share domain access with others while maintaining control. Whether they are tech-savvy partners or web developers assisting with different parts of your online presence, GoDaddy allows you to share this access in a secure way. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're on the right homepage, then enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, which is your gateway to various account options. From this menu, you're going to select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the essential settings for managing your GoDaddy account. Next up, you need to look for the Delegate Access option. When you click on this, you're taken to a page specifically for managing who has access to your account. This feature is quite handy if you ever need to have someone else monitor or make changes to your domains without handing over full account control. Once you're on the Delegate Access page, spot the Invite to Access button and give it a click. This is where the actual sharing process begins. You'll be prompted to enter the person's name and their email address. Be sure to double check this information for accuracy, as an incorrect email address could mean they don't receive the invitation properly. When selecting the access level, choose Products and Domains. This option is perfect if the person needs just enough rights to handle domain management tasks without accessing account billing features. Always ensure the access level matches the responsibilities you want them to carry out. This keeps operations smooth while safeguarding your account. After filling in these details, it's time to click Invite. With this, GoDaddy sends an email invitation to the person you're granting access to. It's important to mention to them that accepting this invitation is a crucial final step. They won't be able to access your domain until they accept, so make sure they look out for this email. That brings us to the end of today's walkthrough. Delegating access is a straightforward but powerful way to manage your online presence collaboratively. Remember, effective communication about the invitation ensures a seamless process for everyone involved. Now you're ready to share your GoDaddy domain like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic.